I have never got to drive it hardly. 2005 base C6 with the Z51 package. Already had the transmission out and differential out once. Now we're doing it again, round 2. Hopefully this time it works. That is nice though that O'Reilly has their warehouse here so they can get stuff quickly. Yeah. I'm gonna probably tape the vacuum up to seal it and then do it again with it on. But it was working. It shot all over here. On the Z51 Corvettes, it has a transmission cooler on the manuals. So since the transmission shot a bunch of crap into it and the radiator and the cooler, I gotta flush it out before we do all this or it'll put a bunch of junk into the new built transmission. So I'm gonna suck. I'm gonna have vacuum on it while I'm blowing. I've already tested it and it did work. So I'm gonna do it again. It's working. Now that everything's covered in a nice coating of fluid,
it makes it a good surface for the tape to stick to.
I just don't want it to blast off.
Dang, dude, that's a lot. Came out of the transmission.
Yeah, that's all out of the transmission. Yeah, there's some crap in here. There's some metal and stuff in here.
Looks like a mouse was in your transmission.
Yeah.
Dude, that smells terrible. What is all that?
It's probably sewage. I don't know.
Dude, you're gonna touch that with your bare
What am I gonna touch it
I
with?
have gloves right here if you want some.
mouth.
Yeah, I'd say that filter was shot.
Look at that, K&N. Yeah, but the horsepower I'm about to gain. Shift rod going on to the shift mechanism. That's how the pros do it. Secret of the pros, baby.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. Oh, I put it in upside down. Hold on. Oh. All right. Shoot. All right, go up. All right, hold it about right there. 3, 2, 1. Cracker Barrel breakfast.
Not on the track. You need to scoot your body towards the driver's side.
All right, that's good. Okay, there we go. Whew. So most C6 guys only run 2 bolts in the bottom of their transmission. That's it.
That's all you really need.
Yeah, case is strong enough to handle the rest. I put a bead of paintable caulking on it before we installed it, so that'll hold. So there's your mechanical grip strength, and then your chemical grip strength. Comes into play there.
Dude, I could just hit it from here, bud.
So now the differential. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Yesterday was diff day at the gym, so I'm a little
bit what?
worn out. This exhaust is hitting me.
You need help?
Helps my pussy.
That's what I was gonna say.
The exhaust is in the way.
Strongest man in the world.
I'm back. There we go. All right, watch out. This is where it gets serious. Woo! Lightweight, baby.
It's on there.
Huh?
Are you dead now?
Yeah. What sucks is I just did this whole thing a couple months ago. What's crazy though, Alex, is once I get this bolted in, we're not that far away.
Yeah, well,
I will go back through and actually tighten these.
goodness. This OG mat's a lot nicer. Well, that's everything.
Came with an extra.
I guess so. Awfully generous of them.
This is reverse solenoid, and the 2005 specifically C6 Corvette has a reverse like battery tender or something. So if your car is not in reverse, it will continuously drain the battery. So this has been tied together so that the car is receiving a signal that it's always in reverse. So you don't have to remember to put it in reverse before you park and get out. Otherwise your battery would die. There we go. Click.
Dry as a bone.
Feeling the transmission. Transmission man played a pretty good prank on us. Let that one slide right out.
Yeah, the tight. Wow.
No, I think you need that slightly smaller one.
The one that I had?
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably messing with these now.
So tight you can get something. The other one smash through.
Get closer.
All right, Jake, can you push it?
That I can really
All right, Jake, pump the back up a little bit, not a ton. Okay, keep going. All right, lower, lower, lower. There we go. All right, stop right there.
Let me go in there. Now, before you guys get it all the way, let me go get the
Okay.
shifter.
There's the rod. So now I gotta just bolt it onto the actual shifter. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. And there's a groove in the rod, so it'll always go in this right spot.
They also
Just put 6 more months on this car being down.
bolts, dude?
Give me a second.
Dang, it is not enough, boys. Alright, this car is known to kill batteries if you know anything about the C6 Vettes, especially the 05s. So, it's been sitting for about a week. Let's see what we do. 12.2 volts. This is what the rebuilder told me to throw in it for the 256. Nothing expensive. He said, don't waste your money. I'm gonna fill this thing up. Transmission filled. Sitting on the charger here. Looks like it's good to go. I'm gonna connect the battery back and see what happens. All right, guys. I'm on my phone because I've got the GoPro. See if she cracks off. Not a good sign. Okay. She's alive. Most reliable car I've ever owned. Now all I gotta do is put this together. Yeah, put the mufflers on. We're good to go. She's alive. So I gotta put the mufflers on real quick. That's it. Check the leaks. Here we go, boys. We are fully put back together.